What's up guys, in this video I will show you the layer 2 project that is built for X, which is formerly Twitter. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Inspect's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video, and just like what I mentioned earlier, Inspect is the layer 2 of X, which is formerly Twitter. And for those of you that has been doing cryptocurrency trading for quite some time now, you know for a fact that the #1 social media platform by crypto investors, and Inspect is built in and integrated with Twitter. Now guys, Inspect is going to be the go-to tool for crypto investors on Twitter in the future to recognize the market trends. You also have upcoming NFT mints. So guys, make sure that you do your own research and see the stats and the buying and the selling of crypto directly on Twitter and through all the fake bots and scams that is scattered all over the social media platforms like Telegram or Twitter and all that as well. Now with Inspect, it will help you see those verified data. Alright, so let me also show you this, guys. This is the Chrome extension that you could go ahead and download. That way you could access Inspect using your Chrome browser. And you will see here, guys, they have a 4.9 star with 3.9K ratings, which is phenomenal, guys. There is actually more than 50,000 users of the Inspect Chrome extension already, so go ahead and check this one out. This is something that will definitely be very helpful and has a very high potential. And guys, this is their Twitter account. You will see that they already have 211,000 followers. And guys, they have actually made 3 huge partnerships last month, which is with SUI Network. You have the AIT protocol and strategic partnership with Forbes. Yes, they did a strategic partnership with Forbes already. Alright, so this is CoinMarketCap, guys, and this is for the INSP token. You will see the trend is actually going up, and it has a very high potential to break out and go higher. So you can earn more by doing your trades here with the INSP token, by doing your technical analysis. And if you're new with trading, you could actually go ahead and check out our channel. We have a lot of educational videos right there that we did for those of you that has just started with crypto trading. So you can go ahead and check out the channel and look for the videos that talks about the technical analysis. It will definitely be helpful in the long run with your crypto journey. And guys, INSP is actually rapidly building across several networks and ecosystems, and that is the reason why we are very bullish with this project. So do your own research, but do it fast so you will not be left behind. All right, so let me actually show you my go-to exchanges when I'm doing my trades. This is KuCoin for INSP token. So INSP is also available with KuCoin right here, so you could do your trades there. It is also available in Bybit. Actually, Bybit is the one that I personally use when I'm doing my trading. And then we also have the MEXC. So you could choose whichever you prefer in terms of like doing exchanges or centralized exchanges to do your trades. So make sure, guys, to do your own research. Inspect is a very good project, and I would strongly suggest, guys, that you do your own research and do it fast. That way, you know, if there are developments, if there are a lot of updates or announcements, when the token price goes up, you have already bought it from the bottom and make profit out of those trades. And guys, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.